Hey guys, Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers here. On this episode, we're going to be talking about bandit signs. So Mark and I purchased these in bulk. We got an order of 24 for I think $80, so it was roughly around $4 per sign. We've got a telescopic ladder here. Now you don't have to have this. I think it's about $100 to purchase this, but if you don't have a truck, this will fit in the trunk of your car very simply. Normally we do this at night because we're going to go in depth why we put these up high up on a pole. We'll show you the end result, but we got a tip from a buddy of ours named George, and so we put these bandit signs up really high so that code enforcement doesn't come down and take them down easily. Usually if you put them in places, your county will go around and take them off, but this is great advertisement for us, for our local business. Our phone number here, and it's perfect.
Yeah, so shout out to my buddy George Dumanian. Give him a like and a follow. His page is called Achieving Freedom. Great guy, another fellow notary. But as you can see on our bandit sign, he's where we got it from. So the stakes for these, they cost a couple bucks more each. So by not using them, one, you're increasing the shelf life of your advertisement, which this is actually great advertisement. It's really underrated advertisement, but you're going to increase the shelf life or the length of time you're going to have it. You're going to increase the visibility of it with this trick, and you are going to save yourself the money of not buying the stakes. As you can see on ours, we don't have our website. You don't see notary on here while we run a notary business. It's important to note that our notary business, it actually works like a lead generation for a lot of our other services. This is kind of one of the messages that we're preaching and teaching all the time, but these are a lot of our high ticket things that we do, and that's what we want to maximize the effectiveness of this bandit sign by listing our high ticket services. Okay, so without further ado, let's get this baby up and get out of here.
And this is not against the law.
Just a code violation.
Just a code violation, no biggie.
The higher up you go, the longer it's going to stay there.
Easy peasy.
You also want to use a Google Voice number, and that isn't your personal number, and that way it's not really traceable back to you.
Perfect.
They wanna get mine.